Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making Nasi Goreng, which is fried rice. As you can see, here is the result of my Nasi Goreng that I made. I'm going to talk to you about it a little bit before proceeding to the ingredients and the making of the dish. So Nasi Goreng actually, or fried rice, is Malaysian national dish. Fried rice with vegetables, and either with eggs, chicken, or shrimps. I tried making it at home. It's not exactly the same. I kind of modified in the recipe in my way. It came out actually delicious. I really liked it. And I have a lot of recipes for this Nasi Goreng. This is one of them. I'm gonna make some more and share with you. So if you want to know how to make this kind of healthy recipe in my style, follow the recipe.
Hello everyone, welcome to the other side. Now let's go for the ingredients. We have some onion, one onion actually I used, and garlic, 2 pieces of garlic, or you can use garlic powder if you have. We have some chicken, chopped chicken, your choice. We have some carrots and lemon for the taste, your choice. And we have some coriander leaves and chili. Cabbage, I used some cabbage, chopped cabbage, turmeric powder, of course, and also black pepper, cumin, and curry, and also olive oils, and a bowl of rice. I forgot to put it. We have 1 egg also. At first, we're gonna start with frying the egg in a pan with olive oil.
It's up to you how you want the egg to be cooked, half cooked or okay. So with this oil, I will fry the chicken first to get the moisture out of the chicken. With a little bit of salt and also garlic.